Wow, what a beautiful day. I'm about wore out working on that motor. A little more than I expected. Bone dry. Yep. This thing, I haven't had time to do anything working on this damn thing. You know, trying to get the boat straightened out, keeping the motor running, and I haven't been able to go fishing, and I've been coming down at the dock and doing a little dock fishing in the evenings, getting me some bullhead minnows. Just come down here and drink a couple beers. And then I get home and everybody, you know, watch everybody's videos on YouTube. Oh man, we killed it on the bass today, and crappie slabs. Looky there, big bass. So yeah, I'm thinking, take a day off. Take the Starcraft out. I think I got some bullheads in the bucket. I know I do. And go fishing. See if he wants to get a fish. Come on, fish. Get you a fish. Ooh, man, that was lightning fast. Meanwhile, while I load up the boat, check out these clips from all the dock fishing. I think I got one off. Get the net! Oh boy, it's a nice fish. Nice fish. Get tangled up this other line. Help! Big one. Oh man, he went down in the grass. Oh no. Feels like he's under a log. I can see him. He's tangled up. Oh, that's where that old post is. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Oh man. Yeah, this line's down there. Here, I got it loose. Oh, it must have broke. Son of a gun. Man, that was a big fish. Unbelievable. Monster fish on again. Oh, baby. How am I going to get him on the dock? Down in the grass again. Dang it. Big fish. Man, this is horrible. Not as big as I thought, but he's big. Yeah, baby. Didn't take him but a minute. And he was swimming that way, sideways. And I said, man, is that my minnow or the bass? Perfect, right in the corner. Come on out of there, you. Is this camera on? Oh yeah, he nice. It's on. That's a good 4 pounder. Who's belly? Nice fish. Well, there's another one. He little guy. They like that free swimming, man. They throw it in the same place. Boy, he little. I gotta run over there and get some more minnows. Oh yeah, baby. Another nicey. You know what? I'm gonna weigh this thing. I never use that thing to weigh these fish. I don't know if it even works. Alright, let's see. 3.5. See right there on the right, little white line, almost to 4. That's a good looking sunset right there. Holy moly macaroni. Yep, there's the big female on the bed right there. She was just spooning with the male. I knew it was a bass there. I knew it. He kept guarding that and guarding that. And I said, I thought that was a tilapia bed, but the tilapia bed was over there. Look at her. She looks like she got a smile on her face. Well, I just reeled in that one, and all I got back was an empty hook, which may be a good sign. Oh yeah, first fish. That's it. Oh man, look how black. Look how black. He's so black. Hee hee. It was so funny. I threw it over there between all the stem pilings, and I started jerking it like freaking a jig, real, but even worse, real hard. And then it felt like all of a sudden I was like hung up in the weeds. Man, look how black he is. Ooh, he's pretty. And next thing I knew, I was like, wait a minute, something's on there. And I said, man, let's go down to the lake, throw a couple out, a little breezy. So I threw one out. And then on my other rod, I had like a green Cinco. Threw him out. And then the wind blew the bobber in and threw him back out. Threw the Cinco out again, and boom! Nice fish. And I'm like, man, I got no camera, nothing. So I run home and get the camera. Oh, and I forgot, when I was pulling the fish in, something was grabbing the one on the bobber. It might have been a gar. I just threw him on the old chain, the chain gang. Come here, buddy. Oh. Yeah, he's a nice one. He's a nice one. Oh, he looks almost good enough to eat. See where I put this thing is right where I hooked him, so I didn't have to make another hole. See what else is going on. Yeah, hit my minnow back out. I thought he was dead. Look. There's the gar getting him again. Son of a gun. My minnow's jumping like crazy. The bobber's gone. And he was jumping out of the water like crazy. Oh man, missed him. God bless him. I couldn't run to the camera fast enough, man. Hit it right here, 20 feet out from the dock. Boom. Skinny, but big. Man, look how pretty. I ain't gotta tighten up on my damn drag. That's why I've missed a few fish. Boy, that is just beautiful. That is a beauty. Wow. Put them on the stringer and get some pictures.
That's not the same one? Oh, you got another one. Oh my God.
It's the time of the year.
Oh my God, they're huge.
Nice.
Keeping them, aren't you?
Look how skinny. These are perfect eating size.
Yeah.
You know, not too small, not too big. You don't want to
Mark
eat the big
used to say
ones.
they catch them out of here. Oh, I gotta put milk on them. Milk.
Got the minnow. Strong ass minnow. Something's hitting them. Right there. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so you see the bed today? It's all cleaned up and there was a tilapia on it now. This is getting too weird. Absolutely too weird. Bass, tilapia, bass, tilapia. It changes every week. I think this is probably just as good a spot as any, man. So like I said, I like to cover their eyes. And kind of stop flipping around so much. I got one on. It looked like I was getting hit at the same time. First I had a little bite here and I missed it. It's a little peck. And then I noticed this one over here was bumping around. So I just laid the rod down. Picked up the other rod. Oh man, he's right in the grass. And when I picked up the other rod, this one started bumping again. Nice fish. Yeah, baby. Not real big, one of the smaller ones I've been catching. Hey, pretty. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There it goes. Top water, he was hitting them. Oh yeah! Live action! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, nice fish! Chunky! Come here! Got a big mouth on him too. About the same size. I need one of them Chinese things. You stick down there and wiggle it around. There he is. Little guy. Yeah, it's amazing. This wind just died. Uh-oh. There he is, man. He's in the grass. Oh, he got off. Unbelievable. I came out here to relax. That ain't happening. Ooh, I just lost two more. One on the worm and one on the live bait. They're running down in the grass. Pretty much back where it started. I'm in a pretty good pathway now, right down along the bank here. Stay out of that weed. Missed another one. They must be little. Now I'm coming into that spot miles right off this building here. I've said it before. Right out here when I was trolling all the time. Time I buzz right through there. Blam! Go down here, turn around, come back. Blam! There he goes. Yeah, I told you I'd get a hit. Oh, baby, come on. Whoa. Go under the boat. Don't you go under the boat. Get up here. Boy, he's not that big, but he can fight. Wow. I tell you what, buddy, you win the prize so far. Nice, beautiful fish. Boy, was he fighting. Look at that. Wow. Unreal. Boy, that's perfect eating size right there. Not too old, you know, still young and sweet. Fillets. Boy, he's pretty. See, turn that wheel, turn that motor, turns you that way, turn you that way. Whoa! Damn! See that? Son of a bitch! Wow! Oh, I didn't realize this damn minnow was that close to the boat. And this damn fish, you come up and smacks him topside. Another nice fishy. Man, that turnaround thing jumps out of the water, grabs that fish. Unbelievable. Another little beauty. Wow. That's a nice mess of fish, man. You want to have a little fish fry, that's what you want right there. Oh, that was my worm. What am I talking about? He got another worm on me. Trolling a freaking worm. I thought it was a damn minnow. These fish must be starving. There we go. That was a bump. That was a bump. There he is. He's swimming at me or what? Actually, I'm actually swimming at him. The case of this boat's moving. Two little bumps. But sometimes that could be a 5-pound fish. All I gotta do is go. I'm walking them to me. Come on. Ah, man. There he is, baby. Ooh, man, another fish bigger fish was swimming right next to him. Oh, little. But he's a fish. Boy, this side of the lake, small ones. Man, probably 3 of them. Thump, thump, thump. Thump, thump, thump. Thump, thump, thump. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Well, that was fun, I gotta say.